having conversation with some of the housemates on how to keep, the toilet area clean and hot. So can you just give us like a brief comment of the hygiene, like what was it like for you in the house, when it comes to hygiene and keeping your space neat in the house?
I mean, it was kind of hard, especially realizing that I don't think a lot of them knew that I used to clean the house in the nights when everybody was asleep. So it was kind of hard. I complained several times to Big Brother, especially about like the toilets. But I think it balanced up when I gave the suggestion to, I don't know who was head of house at the time. Was it Boma?
It was Boma.
Yeah, so it got better when I was like, let's divide it into, male and female. Because, yeah, as women, we're more sensitive. So it became better. I mean, I saw more effort in people trying to maintain the toilet and make it clean. So overall, it turned out brilliant, honestly. Everybody cooperated at the end of the day.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Awesome. All right.